Hello guys, welcome to your own show. I am Kartavya Vishwas Gupta. I will tell you how to code Python. So let's start. Resources we need. We need Python and Pycharm IDLE. So let's see how to download. First of all, the link is in the description below. Check now. So I am in python.org/download. So this link is in the description, and so here you have to click download Python 3.9.1, and if you want another version, go for it. And if you are using Mac OS, Linux, any other soft OS, you should download by clicking here. So now I am on jetbrains.org/Pycharm. So click here for downloading Pycharm. That's enough.